Here is a photo of a mountain scene in Catalina. If you look at each mountain range as if they were steps going from top to bottom, there are about 7 to 8 levels or layers. The closer the mountains get, the darker they become, going from light gray to a mid-greenish gray to a dark forest green. This contrast between light and dark can help us convey distance while we are painting. The amazing thing is that we can create the illusion of distance by changing just one thing: the amount of water in our paint. I'll start off by sketching the edge of the farthest mountain. I'm going to fill in the entire space below the line with a light wash. It helps to use a bigger brush when you're painting larger sections. Try not to oversaturate the paper early on, because as you add more layers, the paper might start to deteriorate and look overworked or muddy. Now you need to sit back and let your first layer dry. If you want to speed up the process, you can use a hairdryer. Add your next mountain layer by mixing a little more paint into your well. You want the layers to get progressively darker. Make sure to let each layer dry completely before moving on to the next layer. If your layer isn't dry, you risk colors bleeding into one another. Wet on wet method is fantastic for giving dimension when painting the sky, bodies of water, and other large areas. But it is not ideal when you want to create a nice, crisp line.